Rolling dice is not a question of luck, as probability theory shows. Subscribe now to the new series, The History of Math, in the YouTube channel, What Makes It Tick. According to Aristotle, once more, random doesn't exist. Nothing happens by chance. Everything is written and you reach a purpose, no chance, no random. This lasts for 2000 years. Blaise Pascal, a philosopher as well as a mathematician, challenged this claim of Aristotle. Said, no, random does exist. And he opened a new field called probability. He called this the geometry of chance. And this was one of the most difficult fields in mathematics. How you measure random. Let's start just today with a very simple exercise. If you have a dice and you roll the dice, how much chance do you have to get a 6? 1 on 6. This stage not too difficult, but now, if you threw the die 6 times, are you sure to get a 6? Of course not. How much chance do you have to get a 6 with 6 throws? And this is difficult. Let's start with 2 throws. If you throw the dice twice, how much chance do you have to get a 6? First, 1 on 6 at the first throw, plus 1 on 6 on the second one. Each time you didn't get the 6 the first time, it means 5 on 6. So you have 11 chances on 36. That's only after 2 shots. Now imagine 6. It becomes quite difficult to calculate. And there is a smart solution. If you do this, change the question, reformulate the question. The question was, how many chances you have to get a 6 with 6 throws? Much easier to calculate the opposite. How many chances you have not to get a 6 in 6 throws? And that's much easier because it's the first throw, 5 chances on 6 not to get a 6. And you can do that 6 times. And finally, the probability not to get a 6 in 6 shots is 5 on 6 to the 6th power, and is roughly something like 1 on 3. Creativity and probability goes well together. Join us next time as we explore one of the oldest enigmas in math, the constant pi. Subscribe now to follow the history of math on the YouTube channel What Makes It Tick.